Hi.
My name's Craig.
My name's Anne.
And this is the Ugly Pizza Company. So 18 months ago, the idea of the Ugly Pizza Company was conceived in this very pub.
Right here.
The Lucky Rover, Chesington. And today celebrates our 12-month anniversary of our first event. This is the 1-year birthday of Ugly Pizza Company.
It didn't start off so smoothly. We didn't know how to make pizzas.
We were bad at making pizzas.
Hence, Ugly Pizza.
Exactly. They taste beautiful, but pretty ugly. And that is why Gozney is so special, because it doesn't matter if you're not the best pizza maker in the world, Gozney makes a perfect pizza every time.
We can put bad looking pizzas in there and they come out and they taste amazing. So after all the mishaps we had early on, we ended up selling 100 or something pizzas. 100 pizzas.
By far the busiest stand at the event. It was a success.
And we didn't know what we were doing.
We still don't.
But we regrouped over the winter and we decided that we could actually turn this into a proper business.
The one thing with the Roccbox makes a big difference over the competitors we have is that we can actually go anywhere. We do a lot of events where you couldn't get a van and you couldn't get a bigger pizza oven, so that's one big competitive advantage it's given us, and that's what's led to a lot of our corporate bookings. We've reinvested quite heavily, we bought a little van, we've bought new equipment.
Yes, he is, the ugly mobile. Look at that go! Choo choo! So yeah, with the Roccbox, you will be in a position where we'll turn over about 15 grand. This is all possible because of the Roccbox.
So yeah, at the moment we still have our full-time jobs, but hopefully this time next year we'll be full-time Ugly Pizza, thanks to Roccbox.
Full-time Ugly.